I wanted to do a video to show you about this group and how it's going to be very helpful for Prime Day. Prime Day is coming up and there's going to be a ton of deals. And whenever sellers are adjusting their prices, they can make mistakes. It happens all the time. I'm going to show you how this channel here on Discord, the new deals channel, is going to help you find those price errors. That way you can buy these products and make a review for them. So I only send products that have the sharp price drop. It's going to have a top carousel, it's going to have monthly sales, and it's going to have a low influencer video count. So I'm going to just go through a couple of them that recently popped up, and I'm going to show you the stats on them. So this dehumidifier right here, I've already clicked the link. We have it open here. So we have one influencer video. You have 30-day revenue. It's a good viral view score. You can see the pink line here is the price trend. So it was $239. And my bot's in it. You see just recently it dropped to 79. So this will be a good deal for you to buy, or if they increase that price back up. So that's product one. X this out. Product two that I found recently was the Ufree oil shaver. This is a very good brand as far as shavers and stuff like that. They sell a lot of units on all their other ASINs, and this popped up here. It's still a fairly new ASIN. You see 98 days, which is why they only have 100 units sold a month, but this will pick up just from past experience seeing this brand. So it had a price discount. We have one influencer video. It was $39, and you see how the pink line's way down here. Just recently, it dropped to $19.99. So this is another product that you can buy and review that you get for a lot cheaper. And then finally, these earbuds that popped up, 30-day revenue, 164 grand. We got two influencer videos on it. E6 viral view score. If you go down, you see the price history. It went from $129, $79, and then now it's $32. So Prime Day is coming up, and there's gonna be a lot of deals like this that are popping up. So do not miss out. If you want to join, you can check the Discord link. It's either going to be in the description of this video or they will have it in my bio.